Hey guys, welcome back to another bag review video. And today's video, as you guys probably see in front of me, I do have the Gucci Dionysus Super Mini Denim and the Horsebit wallet, and I am so excited to show you guys and see what I like about this bag. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this mini unboxings and review, then let's keep on watching. Okay, so where should we start first? Let's do with the wallets first and then we go to the handbag. Okay, this one is the Horsebit wallet in denim, and I think it's really cute. And so here inside this box, it's come with 3 instruction notes, books, and the dust bag. The dust bag is really cute, guys. I feel like I can use the dust bag for something else as well. It's really cute. Like, I definitely can put some of my makeup in here. It has a little Gucci logo in the front. And here is what I got, guys. So cute. Gucci Horsebit represents the brand itself. It's very unique, and I love the style of this wallet so much. Especially the fabric, the denim gives a very nice contrast with the leather. It's pretty compact ones, which I love. Not too big, not too small. Can put a lot of stuff inside, and as you guys can see, the interior is all leather. Has a little zipper on one side for the coins. It is the snap button like that, and this is how the interior looks like. There are 5 card slots and 1 zipper. Actually there is a little another card slot here all the way in the back as well. Very nice, especially the zipper. I think this is what I love the most, such a functional wallet. Yeah, everything looks great. I love it, and I think what I like the most is probably the denim finish. I think it gives such a very good vintage kind of vibe to this little piece. It has a lot of room for cards, for coins, and yeah, also if you don't have coins, I think this space is still good for putting some receipts or cards or other stuff there as well. Next, I'm gonna move to this box. I'm so excited. Let's open this up together. Okay, here it is. Oops, got the cards. And here we go. This is the Gucci Dionysus Super Mini Denim in black. It's so beautiful. I love it. I think it's very unique. It totally gives a different feeling from the Gucci classic canvas. And guys, I don't know, I feel like black can go with everything. That's why I decided to get this color. I think it's very easy to match with any outfit or any look. Gucci Dionysus is always popular, but I want to add it some kind of spice, so I decided to get the denim one. It used the black leather around the border or the edges, and for me the most interesting is the hardware. It is the silver, I would say, like smoke silver finish. Also the snap button. Here is the inside. Let me take this tissue out. Here is how it looks inside. Just only one big compartment. I would say though, it's a little bit hard to open this bag. The way the bag's constructions or forms are pretty tight, so it's causing the opening. There's a lobster crab strapped on the side. You can remove longer strap if you want to, if you don't want to use it as a crossbody bag. This is a super mini size bag, so I don't expect all of my essential will fit inside this bag. But today I'm gonna show you what fit inside, just to throw an idea for you guys to see what could fit inside this little bag. So here on my right side, I have some of my essentials, and I will be realistic for you. I have my chunky wallet, and I want to show you if it's gonna fit inside this bag. I don't believe so, but I will show you guys. And I also bring my card holder just in case this one doesn't fit. So we shall see. This doesn't seem it's gonna fit, doesn't fit inside this bag. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this card holder because it's more likely to be fit inside this bag. Okay. The card holder definitely fit inside, but you again need to adjust it. The card holder fits inside, but I think that is the only thing that will be fitted in there. I have the lip oil, and I think it should fit on the size of this bag. Okay, so looks like that is it. That is only what could fit, and I don't even know if it's gonna close properly because it doesn't seem like it will be able to close it. This card holder is a little bit different from the regular card holders, so I think it might because of the thickness itself. This card holder might not be a good idea for this bag, so we just changed the plans. Now we go with all the cards. Let's just put some card and cash and some other thing. Not sure if you can see, but here's what I have. I have the lip oil, I have the hand sanitizer, and the cards. And let's see if 14 Pro Max will fit inside this bag. Definitely 14 Pro Max doesn't fit inside this bag. I think that is pretty much it. So yeah, overall this bag is super tiny as its name, so you don't expect this bag to carry many stuff. There is no way for that. What I'm concerned the most is the opening, the closure. This bag constructions, I think it's really tight, so it's a little bit hard to open and close this bag. Makes it hard to access the inside. However, this bag is very good for someone who don't carry a lot of stuff, maybe go night out and you just need a card and cash and some of your makeup. I think this would probably work. Such a compact crossbody bag, nice texture materials, and it seems very stable. Here is the try on. I am 5'3" and this bag hangs below my hip, so I decided to adjust it a little bit, and this is a trick how I make long strap into shorter strap, and I love this height. It finally hangs around my hips and I like it. If you're interested in these bags, I hope you find this video helpful. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!